awkward.
Ew, gross.
What'd you eat? Oh, you're eating a bird. Andres.
No, he's like, tickle me.
Why are you all so careful? Did you like a...
Toad?
Yeah.
Did you eat a toad? Are you high?
Did you like a toad?
Okay, enough. Good night, Andrix. Lie down.
No.
Shh. Shush.
They probably did like a toad.
Good night. That's my boy. Shh. Good night. Yeah, sleep now. Leave him alone, you ugly.